Okay, so after crashing my quad, this arm broke off over here, and I've just glued it together for now. It also cracked the top of the shell over here, and I've also just glued that together. And now to try and test here, I'm going to first of all repair where this has got damaged. So over here I need to cut out a few little pieces. Now this is going to be a little bit tricky because I don't want to block the vents. Just take a small piece of this for now. Reinforce there too. I think I've cut myself a fairly long strip here to start working with. And then I think I've still got to cut that one out. But then have a look at this. The main brake is here, and I have to patch some of this in on here. Now I've got to mix the resin at a ratio of 3 to 100. So this is the resin itself, and then I've got to add hardener and apply with a brush. It also gives you plastic gloves, because once you start working with this stuff it can get very itchy. Get this off. Now this stuff smells quite strong. I'm just going to mix a little bit now. And then this is the hardener, so 3 to 100. Just got to use a little bit of imagination and mix this. So the hardener mixes into the resin. Take this little brush, and I've got to apply resin onto the area first that I'm going to put the fiber cloth onto. Okay, and I need to do a little bit on the top here. Strengthen there. I need to put a bit more in here to strengthen there. And now I'm going to find my little piece of cloth that I wanted to use. Now that wasn't too smart. Let me just cut another piece. Where is it now? There, okay. glove on. Problem is this is sticking onto the glove. Okay, get some more resin now. That's right. There, press in. It should go. A little bit tricky. This is not sticking on to where it really should. But anyway, got that there. I do want to avoid closing this vent here. Main thing is just want to reinforce it on the inside. Okay, that's that there. Aye. I want to get along the top there. Up to the position there. Yeah, that one's there. Oopsie. A little bit tricky to work with, but just get it in position here and on the spot where I want it to hold. Oh, that looks okay. So yes, that's that part of it. These gloves aren't helping me much, they actually seem to be hindering me more than helping. Okay, then I just want to reinforce this section too, where the shell cracked. Ooh, this resin is starting to harden too quickly now. This could be a disaster. Come resin. Please don't harden on me now. Oh, damn it. Disaster. Didn't expect this resin to harden so quickly. Okay. Major problem here. There. Yeah, that's just going to reinforce the glue. I also glued another little area here somewhere. Yes, over here. Right. It doesn't really look as though I have. Okay, that will reinforce that. That will strengthen this here. Okay, leave that to harden now. I want to test and see how I can do these arms. So I need another fairly long straight piece. Some resining before it dries out too much. I don't want to cover the holes. Have I done so already? I don't know. This one doesn't have its pillars on. Hey, and big mistake, I'm putting resin in these holes. Maybe a good thing I tested this first.